Look at the next topic is nodal plane. Look at the statement. The plane where the probability of an electron density is 0 is called nodal plane. For calculating number of nodal planes, we are using a formula. The number of nodal planes of an orbital is equal to L. So for calculating the number of nodal planes, we are taking the help of azimuthal quantum number. This is the small L. So nodal plane values for S orbital. For S orbital, L, nodal plane L is equal to 0. For P orbital, nodal plane L is equal to 1. For D orbital, nodal plane L is equal to 2. For F orbital, nodal plane L value is 3. So for calculating nodal plane values of S orbital, P orbital, D orbital and F orbital. So these are the values of nodal plane values. So for calculating number of nodal planes or angular nodes for an orbital is equal to L. So this formula is useful for calculating number of nodal planes or angular nodes. For calculating the number of peaks, we have to take a formula. The number of peaks in a curve is equal to n minus L. The number of peaks in a curve is equal to n minus L, where n is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. Look at an example. Number of peaks for 2s orbital is equal to, formula is n minus L. So for n value for 2s orbital is 2. For s orbital L value is 0. So 2 minus 0, 2. For 2s orbital is having 2 peaks. For example, for 3s orbital. For 3s orbital number of peaks, here n value is 3 minus, for s orbital L value 0. 3 minus 0, 3. So number of peaks for 2s orbital is 2 and number of peaks for 3s orbital is 3. Next one, nodes. Nodes means it is a region where the probability of finding an electron density is 0. It is called node. And also other names are there. For calculating nodes, look at the board. Nodes, radial nodes, spherical nodes, nodal surface and nodal region. For calculating all these factors, we will take the formula n minus L minus 1. For calculating any one of these, we will take the formula n minus L minus 1. Where n is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. Look at, for calculating node or radial node or anything, look at an example. Radial node of 1s orbital is equal to, for 1s orbital, n value is 1 minus L value for s orbital 0 minus 1. So it is 0. For 1s orbital, radial node value is 0. In case of 2p orbital, for 2p orbital n value is 2. For p orbital, azimuthal quantum number L value is 1 and minus 1 is equal to also 0. For 1s orbital, 2p orbital, node or radial node or spherical node values 0. Look at, for 3p orbital, for 3p orbital 3 minus, for p orbital L value 1 minus 1, it is 1. For 4p orbital, 4 minus, here n value is 4, 4 minus, for p orbital L value, 1 minus 1, it is 2. So for 2, in case of 2p orbital, radial node value 0, 3p orbital 1 and 4p orbital 2. So by using n minus L minus 1 formula, we may calculate nodes or radial nodes or spherical nodes, nodal region or nodal surface. Questions based on nodes or radial nodes. Look at the first question. Calculate the number of radial nodes for 3D and 4F orbitals. For calculating radial nodes, what is the formula for calculating radial nodes? Is equal to n minus L minus 1. Look at first one, 3D orbital. For 3D orbital, n value is 3 minus, for d orbital, L value, azimuthal quantum number value for d orbital is 2. You know already, L values, azimuthal quantum number, L values for s orbital 0, p orbital 1, d orbital 2 and f orbital 3. These are azimuthal quantum number L values. Look at now, for 3D orbital n value is 3, for d orbital L value 2 minus 1. So it is 0. For 3D orbital, radial nodes 0. For 4f orbital, in case of 4f orbital n value is 4 minus, for f orbital L value is 3 minus 1, it is also 0. For 4f orbital, radial nodes are 0. Look at the next problem. Find the spherical nodes for 2s, 3p, 4d and 5f orbitals, and also b, 3s, 4p, 5d and 6f orbitals. For calculating spherical nodes, what is the formula? N minus L minus 1. In case of A, first one is 2s orbital. For 2s orbital, n value is 2 minus, L value for s orbital 0 minus 1, it is 1. Next, for 3p orbital, n value is 3, for p orbital L value 1 minus 1, 1. For 4d orbital, n value is 4, for d orbital L value 2 minus 1, it is also 1. For 5f orbital, n value is 5 minus, L value for f orbital is 3 minus 1, 4, 1 is equal to 1. For all these orbitals, 2s, 3p, 4d and 5f orbitals, spherical nodes or radial nodes or nodes are 1. In case of B, for calculating spherical nodes, n minus L minus 1. For 3s orbital, 3 minus 0 minus 1, 2 spherical nodes. In case of 4p orbital, 4 minus 1 minus 1, 2 it is. In case of 5d orbital, 5 minus 2 minus 1, 2. In case of 6f orbital, n value 6 minus, for f orbital L value 3 minus 1, 2. For all these orbitals, spherical nodes or radial nodes are 2. So by using n minus L minus 1 formula, we may calculate any orbital, spherical nodes or radial nodes or nodal region or nodal space or nodes. Look at the next IIT problem. In psi 321, the sum of angular momentum, spherical nodes and angular nodes is. For calculating this problem, once again look at psi 321. Psi 321 means principal quantum number n equal to 3, azimuthal quantum number L equal to 2 and magnetic quantum number m is equal to 1. This is the meaning of psi 321. Look at now, what is the first question? Sum of angular momentum. We have to take the angular momentum, spherical nodes and angular nodes. Look at angular momentum of an orbital. Angular momentum of an orbital is equal to h by 2 pi into square root of L into L plus 1. This is the formula for calculating angular momentum of an orbital. Is equal to h by 2 pi into square root of L value. L value is 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 2s are 6. So it is equal to root 6 into h by 2 pi. So it is equal to root 6 into h by 2 pi. So this is the angular momentum of an orbital. And look at next, spherical nodes. What is the formula for calculating spherical nodes? Spherical nodes is equal to n minus L minus 1. Just now we discussed already. According to given question, n value is 3, L value is 2 minus 1, it is 0. So spherical nodes of given orbital is 0. And angular nodes. What is the formula for calculating angular nodes? Angular nodes or nodal plane, both are same only. It is L. L value for given orbital is 2. Now look at the sum of angular momentum, spherical nodes and angular nodes. Look at the total sum is equal to root 6 into h by 2 pi plus 0 plus 2. It is equal to root 6 into h plus 2 to the 4 pi by 2 pi. So this is the answer for the given question. Look at the next IIT problem. The wave function of an orbital represented as psi 4 to 0. The sum of the azimuthal quantum number and radial nodes of the orbital is. For solving this problem, first of all we have to know about psi 4, 2, 0. So it means principal quantum number n value is 4, azimuthal quantum number L value is 2 and magnetic quantum number m value is 0. Now what is our question? The sum of azimuthal quantum number and radial nodes. Azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number means nothing but L is equal to 2. And radial nodes. For calculating radial nodes, what is the formula used? Nodes or radial nodes or spherical nodes, formula n minus L minus 1. So here it is, n value is 4 minus L value is 2 minus 1, it is 1. Now the sum of the total is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So sum of the azimuthal quantum number and radial nodes value is 3. Thank you my dear students for watching my videos. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.